welcome to the Just Travel Plus channel. Alright, so we're just driving in Texas here. So I am in Sachse, Texas. And we are going to be driving all the way into Dallas. So I do hope you will enjoy the ride. Alright, or the view. So it's going to be a 24 minutes drive. If I do know the place that I'm driving at, the exact location, I will definitely tell you. But if I'm not able to say exactly where I'm at, please forgive me. All right. And if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for taking the time out to check out the channel here. The temperature now is 64 degrees, so it's not cold. It's a little bit cool outside, to be exact. So it's not hot, rather. And this is State Highway 78. We're on south. So we're going to be going on to the President George Bush Turnpike shortly. Now remember to give the video a thumbs up. And Sachse, Texas is a very quiet community or town. It's not that busy down here. It's not that busy down this side. I think the population is like around 27,000 people. Yeah, it's about 27,000 people down this side. There is a lot of, if you're interested in property, they have a lot of space down here, just like in other places in Texas. So if you're looking for a place to come, Texas is very huge. And Sachse, Texas. So it's spelled S-A-C-H-S-E, Texas. My drive time is going to be about 21 minutes from where I'm at right now. Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. This is a Texas drive-in, let's just say. Yeah. Alright, remember to give the video a thumbs up, a like, and a share when you get a chance. Thank you. Alright. So I'm on State Highway 78. So I'm gonna be going on to President George Bush Turnpike in about 2 minutes, 1.7 miles. So if you've never been to Texas, or if you're thinking about it, at least you get an idea of what it looks like. But I'm heading into Dallas from this community or this town. All right. I know probably a lot of you already used to a bunch of cars, so can't really show you anything else because I'm driving and I don't have a camera that is like, you know, able to give you a 360 degree, but at least, you know, enjoy the view or enjoy the driving. All right. So it's 11:26 p.m. right now. So the traffic in Dallas probably will be a little bit awful. Wow, bossy. And forgive me if I'm not able to respond to any of the comments, all right? I think you totally understand why. So, all right. So I'm not going to be taking the toll because toll is very expensive. And I have them breed of money there to go waste on toll right now. I'm not in a rush to do anything. So we're going to go on the turnpike here and head into Dallas. But the roads down this side is very confusing. So you definitely have to use your GPS most of the time. Or all the time. Thankfully the road is not that busy right now. Alright. So that's a plus. And then if you make a right, you can go on to, I think, into Garland area. You should be able to go. Oh Lord, I think I'm on the toll and didn't even realize. And they will change the settings. All right. But anyways, we'll continue. No wonder I was saying the road is not that busy. Didn't realize that I'm on the toll. Another toll over that side. But the toll, it can cost you anywhere from like, well, it depends on where you're going, but yeah, toll is very expensive down this side. And if you follow GPS bring you on every single toll road you can think of, when really and truly you don't need to be on it, just like today. You have apartments on the right side. Down this section you have a lot of like apartments and assisted living and all around this little section. So in a few minutes I'm gonna be heading off the toll and going on to 75. So this toll road is what, $1.46 with your tag and $2.92 without your tag. But the roads up here are very nice. The toll road nice, because you know that load. The ones on the off road, very loud. Make your car sound like an old truck most of the time. These roads you're tempted to speed on them a lot of times. About these roads though, they don't have door police like, you know, hanging out in every corner waiting for you. No. And you don't have anybody taking pictures of your license plate while you're driving, so that's good. Is that a police? Oh, people just cleaning up. So I am gonna make an exit from the toll. So this is the President George Bush toll turnpike. We're gonna be going on to the 75. 75 is always a very bad an awful road to drive on at any time of the day. Morning, noon, and night, it's awful. So never my favorite. You could be going to work for 7 o'clock and you leave out from 5 o'clock, you're still going to reach your work late. So it's never my favorite road to drive on. So we're going south of Dallas. I think this is the first time I'm driving on this road here to go into Dallas. Hi, thank you so much for tuning in. You get into Dallas, the more traffic, headache. I think I know where I'm at now. This is the road that if it drizzle, you have an accident happening. And the other day I was going to work and I noticed there was an accident on this road. And I don't know how many persons are I've noticed whenever you have an accident on the road, so these 4 lanes here, they turn them into probably like 2 lanes or 1 lane, because you know police block off the remainder of the 3 lanes, and it is awful with the traffic. Can be very awful. To the left, you have the HOV line, which is the high occupancy vehicles. So if you're driving with 2 or more persons in a vehicle, then you can drive in that lane. But a lot of persons still drive over there because there's so much traffic on these 4 other lanes that they can't bother. And I'm guilty of that some days, depending on what's going on. If this 4 lanes not, you know, progressing, and that lane over there is going and it's empty, then I might just run over there and continue. Alright, so I am currently on 75 heading into Dallas. I'm not gonna go in the heart of Dallas, but yeah, the traffic is still gonna be awful there. And closer to this side is where you always have like a lot of accidents happening, because you know when the folks who don't qualify for HOV, or them just bad broke, they drive over to the left, and when they want to finish off, you know, on the 75 here, they decide to kind of break in, and then that's when they cause a lot of problems with traffic, and so you have a lot of accidents happening out on this little stretch. I think last week they had an accident here. I don't know if the person died, but yeah, never looked too good at all. Alright, so I need to be in the right lane, so I'm gonna be going go on to 635. I'm gonna exit in 20. 1. Oh, should have stayed in that lane. So should have stayed in that lane. Not good. We're gonna make a right shortly to exit onto Greenville Avenue. Greenville Avenue. And one thing about Texas, there is always construction going on. There is always road repairs going on. Okay, so we're going on to Greenville Avenue. Okay, oh. But I really do want to thank all the persons who have tuned in, you know, to check out the video for 2 seconds. All right, I really do appreciate you taking the time out to do so. Remember, this is the Just Travel Plus channel, so I will definitely highlight different places that I'm traveling to, even if I don't know them, you know, so people can see. All right, so this is Forest Lane. Yeah, we're gonna turn right onto Forest Lane. All right, and then I'll be at my destination in 2 minutes. So they have a dry cleaning super center on the left, Tobacco Plus. They have a Shell gas station, Chase Bank. Yeah, and they have a Ace Auto Repair Center ahead. So, but the place kind of look a little bit, you know, like you need a little touch up in terms of painting, and the road need to pave off and all them stuff there. Yeah, man. 100% uptown. This is not the uptown section of Dallas I'm going. I'm not saying it's a downtown, but yeah, it's not the posh section, let's just say. Oh, I'm going right here. Left turn yield. So this is Shepherd Road. Alright. And this is where my journey ends. Alright, so when I'm going to my next destination, no parking space over here. Oh, ouch. Alright, when I'm going to my next destination, I will definitely show you where I'm going. This gentleman going, let me take your spot. I'm not leaving. Okay, so let me try and back up in this little spot here. All right. All right, and this is the end of Driving 101 with Just Travel Plus here in Texas. All right, enjoy your morning. Bye.